guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be playing 99 Nights in the Forest. I'm going to try and take them. Try to get a wolf, but wolves are carnivores. They want like steak. And you know what drops steak in the game? Yeah, you know what drops steak in the game? Why do you not? Why do you not know what drops steak? Wolves drop steak. And when I tried to tame a wolf the previous episode, I wanted steak, so we need to kill 2 wolves. Because wolves drop 2 morsels. 2 morsels and okay, so let's go ahead and drop this in the fire. And this bunny wants to be tamed. Let's go ahead and tame this bunny. Bunny wants to be tamed. To be honest, I would have thought the wolves would have wanted so let's find your camera. I would have thought that the wolves would have wanted the bunny morsel, like 2 bunny morsels or 1 bunny morsel, not like as many as they do. Oh, it's a cute brown colour. Bugs, I like the name Bugs, so I'm gonna head back to my campfire and you can sit down because this is what you wanted to be, right? Okay, I'm gonna go get some more wood for trees, the fossil, and then I kill it just because we do need the steak for the other wolf. Oh yes, I know my campfire's almost done. That is why I am chopping down a tree. How interesting. Bugs just can stay at the campfire. I'm going to test out the wolf's abilities and see if it can get it. And what's that? What is this? Why do I see like a pair of sunglasses? This is what happened to my friend, like she saw like a pair of sunglasses and I didn't. Is it me or is this game getting 99 Minecraft vibes? It's from my Minecraft series. And I wonder if I'm gonna name one of the wolves because they don't have names yet because you guys haven't left any suggestions. But I know what I'm gonna name 2 of them. Like no, 3 of them. One of them's gonna be name well after my dog you know. And the other one's going to be named after my cousin's dog. My baby sister. Me and my family went to something on holiday. And one of them's going to be named Toes because every time me and my friends, before the pet update existed, we found like, you know where the coldest campsite was, you could either find like a bear corpse and it was still full. We're going to have to kill a wolf, which is very sad. We're going to have to kill 2 to go ahead and tame another wolf because you have to calm it down with the flute and then give it some food. Sing him. Oh, she's so cute. I'm going to go put some more wood in the campfire for today. I'll drop 2 more. Yeah, I'm gonna put one in the campfire today. So it's like, okay. I'm gonna chop it. I wonder if you could tame the deer. Oh, I see a mine shaft. It's just like, I really hope that this is going to be like a series where we do a bit of an update, test out the update. This is like a series like just for this week because I'm not sure if this is a permanent update. Okay, let's go ahead and find some wolves and kill them. Wolves and demolish 2 wolves in order to get a pet. Okay, see the 2 wolves we can kill, but not a third one that we can tame. That one dropped. That one actually dropped no state. That one dropped no state. One of them dropped no state. You see that place where you can upgrade it? I feel like there's a class, it's called the, no, I'm about to die. It is called the, farmer, and it basically makes you spawn in with 2 flutes. It's 70 with 1 old flute. But really, like, you find them, like, when you haven't even expanded your map. So I don't really see the point. We need to find the... Okay, he's got a bit of headlock. Okay, I need to run onto the ground. I need to reach there. That wolf just killed me. We need to restart. Okay, we're back. Let's play the funny little. Let's upgrade the fire to a level 3, then we can take the funny little one. I'm gonna test some stuff on the wolf. So as soon as one I can find is at level 3 and like 40, I tamed the bunny. The campaign finished for me. Now we need to go ahead and tame bunny. So I want to do this on camera, but I just like taming them and showing you guys what colour I get straight away. That's what I like doing. I just don't like because something makes it so. I really wish that this would. I'm not sure if this is a permanent update or like a temporary update, like other updates. Sometimes they're temporary, but I'm not sure what this one will be. If it will be temporary or. Oh, it's a pickle! There was that. Oh, white bunny. I've never actually tamed a bunny and got a white bunny. It's actually really cute. But his like ears kind of get pinker. If I hit another bunny with pickles beside me, will pickles attack that? There you go, I hit a bunny. Oh no, this is why Pickles is upset about her. It was a misclick, Pickles. I bet the wolf. We'll be testing out the wolf's abilities. So yeah, the bunnies are just cute and you need to tame them before you can tame anything else. Apparently you need to get a whole bunch of stuff to tame the alpha wolf, so that would be for another episode. This is just going to go on until Saturday, until the next other one of these. Except for Tuesday, because that's my other filming day. Okay, sorry it is thinking like blah blah blah, was just watching it. So I'm gonna try random. So if we type in save. If you don't have a taming, if you just type in animal, if you just typed in animal, you'll get taming again. And then if you want to tame an animal, you have to like upgrade it. I'm just gonna see if wolves get other skins because I think they do because like usually bunnies get other skins. Usually bunnies get other skins. Go ahead and find a wolf that we can kill. Like, why is it when you don't want to find wolves? Oh, we got the snow biome. Why is it when you want to find wolves? They're nowhere in sight. But when you don't want to find wolves, they're like disappeared. Something. But no, they're nowhere to be found. I saw one earlier. Oh my goodness, I found two. I found a pack of two. Okay, we have the snake. I'm gonna wait until I have a bit more regen to try kill that one. So let's go ahead and store the wolf pelt. Oh my goodness, I found the wolf that we can tame after we killed the other wolf. Okay. Hey buddy! Oh my goodness, I died. And I literally could have grabbed that snake and tamed the other wolf. We are not stopping until we get that wolf, guys. We are not stopping. If I die again, I'm gonna give up. No, if I die again, I'm gonna give up. Go ahead and grab some coal. Okay, it's all good level for me. I'm gonna go ahead and tame a bunny now and then try to tame a wolf. Yeah, I'm trying to speedrun this. I'm gonna check those chests to see if I can get any like better loot. Oh goodness, I'm gonna stop so this. I'm speedrunning getting the wolf. I'm gonna get him on day 2. But if I die on this, I think I am just going to okay, what colour did I get? What did I get? I got a brown cute bunny. Okay, I'm gonna go drop her off at base because I don't want her getting hurt. What's her name? Oreo! Okay, I'm not gonna change it because I actually like the name Oreo. I'm just gonna check here to see if we get anything good like that could potentially help us killing wolves. Like maybe a good axe. So maybe a good axe. Yes! A good axe right there. I see a wolf that we can kill and get 1 steak. I hope for our rookie contestant wolf who would like to be my pet. Okay, we're gonna head up. Okay, we've got the steak. I'm gonna go drop this off at base. Head another wolf. I'm not gonna cook it because okay, I'm gonna work on wood for this day. We're gonna get the wood. Yeah, it is again the weird sun nigger past glitch. Okay, it's gonna be night 2, so we don't wanna go out. Just make it up to 50, yeah, let's go. Hurry up, I'm gonna bring you closer to the campfire. There you go. Okay, we have 1 steak, but the wolf wants 2, I think. So I need to go ahead and find 2 more wolves, 1 till I can kill and get a steak. And the other one so I can tame. Oh yeah. Why is the day that? Oh yeah, it's day 1 again. Haha, I already got a steak and it's open today. Okay, let's go ahead and find another one to kill, get a steak, and then find one more to tame. Oh my goodness, I see another wolf. Let's go kill him. You're exactly what I need. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I see another wolf right there. Let's go ahead and store this. I've never actually been so happy to see a wolf. We could get a pet wolf, I think. How excited are you, Oreo? Go ahead and grab the flute. Oh my goodness, he's there. Yeah, do you like the song I'm playing? It's called Twinkle Twinkle Little Bar. It's called Twinkle Twinkle Little Wolf, you will be mine one day. Yes. And he's mine. Oh my goodness. He's mine. Okay, I know, but why is he? What's he doing? What is he doing? He should be mine. I gave him the steak. Hello, it's Mr. Lovely. Hello. Hello. What's going on? There's a weird glitch. What? Now I can kill him, and now he... Wait, I'm gonna get the old Timmy. Oh, he's okay with me. Oh my goodness. Was that only one? Don't tell me he wants more steak after this. He wants more steak after this, doesn't he? He wants more steak after this, I'm telling you. He wants more steak after this. Don't tell me I need to go out and get more steak for him. Okay, we need to make bacon. And then we take out the old... Oh my goodness, I'm starving. We were so close to getting the wolf. He doesn't even want steak as well. See you guys in the next one. We'll hopefully get a wolf.